we thank the government for the effort and support.
Respected Talatala, respected chiefs of Rekireki, the chairman and the members of the National Fire Authority Board, the acting CEO and the staffs of National Fire Authority, invited guests, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Mula Vinaka and a very good day to you all. At the outset, I wish to thank the people of Rakiraki and National Fire Authority for the traditional welcome ceremony. I'm delighted to be here in Rakiraki today for this very special moment and to officiate in this groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the new Rakiraki Fire Station. As you all are aware, that early this year, the Honorable Prime Minister did the foundation laying ceremony for a new market for the people of Rakiraki. Today, we're going to do the groundbreaking for the new fire station. We are also going to upgrade the FSC ground. Rakiraki Town Council has been given the sublease to upgrade the Rakiraki FSC ground. We're also planning to build a pavilion for the people of Rakiraki. So you can see that within the very short period of time, the people of Rakiraki is also enjoying government-funded projects. You are not left behind. You are always in our thoughts when we decide and determine government's capital project. The commencement of the civil and construction work for the new fire station will be another important milestone for the development of the Rakiraki town and for the people of Rak. As Minister responsible for Fiji's fire service, I am proud to see that the National Fire Authority has finally commenced this project after having to overcome a number of challenges. The construction of this new fire station follows the recent completion and commissioning of 4 new fire stations in Korolevu, Korova by the Honorable Prime Minister late last year. And again, in February and March this year, the new Tenganga and Tamini fire station. By the end of this week or early next week, we're going to do a groundbreaking for the National Fire Authority fire station in number 1. This new fire station will be a modern custom-built infrastructure, and the National Fire Authority will ensure that the services delivered from this station will meet the required operating standards and the expectation of the various communities in the city. The project is government funded and is expected to cost a total of $1.2 million to complete the civil work, construction work, and fully equipped of this new fire station upon completion. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Fire Authority plays a very important role in the country's emergency and disaster operation, as well as ensures fire safety operations and compliance of all properties to minimize the risk of fire disasters on that property and its surrounding areas. The Bainimarama government is fully committed to ensuring that such important essential services are available to our people at all levels our community. To the people of Ra, this fire station will operate in line with all other fire stations in terms of service delivery. The Reki Fire Station has a very humble history since its establishment in 1965, when the National Fire Authority took charge of managing fire services. I am grateful to the volunteers who have given their time to serve in the fire service here in Reki and provide the necessary essential services to the people and the community at large. I know there were some issues with the volunteers in terms of their salaries and wage, and I've directed the CU National Fire Authority to look into it, and I'm told that it has been settled. The essential service provided by the National Fire Authority no longer just involves firefighting, but they are also skilled in responding to road accident rescue operations, flood and swift water rescue operations, provide emergency ambulance services and first aid assistance, and carrying out urban search and rescue. You all are aware that we had a flood here in Raki, and with the help and assistance of National Fire Authority, the town council were able to clean and clear the town within a short period of time. And we all put our hands together and thank National Fire Authority for the job well done. In 2010, a temporary fire station was built as National Fire Authority worked towards establishing a new and modern fire station facility to meet the demands that come with any growth in population and economic activities in a developing urban center such as the completion of this fire station is expected to take about 10 months, and we therefore expect to see modern facilities and improved standards that will cater for the firefighters and customers. Above all, it will bring renewed confidence to potential investors and ensure the growing economy of Reki is supported by an improved service delivery. To our beloved people of Ra, before I do the honors, I need your support to reduce fires in our homes and properties. It is very sad to note that 15 lives have been lost as a result of 97 structural fires which have occurred so far this year. From the 15 lives lost today, this year, 7 lives lost involved innocent. I therefore urge all to be mindful of fire safety in your homes and you need to ensure and be aware of such basics in our homes, such as switching off all electrical appliances when working. Do not overload your power supply. Let me emphasize here, do not overload your power supply. What we have observed and witnessed, that most of the time, especially in squatter settlements and rural areas, people are overloaded. Please cut it out. Sometimes we see in a PowerPoint about 2 or 3 adapters. What are we trying to prove? And I've also asked FAA to come hard to such things. We'll have to put a stop. Do not leave your cooking unattended. Diet, foods to stay in the kitchen until the pot is ready and the stove is used. Also, candles, prayer beads must always be placed on a metal holder and kept within your sight and put it out before leaving home. And most importantly, it is my humble plea to you all, especially parents, watch your children. Children are always one importance of fire safety. Teach our children and families on the dangers of fire, especially with the use of matches and lighters. And do not place matches and lighters carelessly in your homes as well. Ensure, supervise your children at all times at home, or if you are working parents, when someone, a responsible family member or adult, watch your children at home while you're out. These are some of the important fire safety tips. I know it may seem to you it's very little things, but it's very important. We must be all mindful of in our daily life. National Fire Authority needs your support as we need to work together to fight the fire occurring in our homes and destroying all our hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, I'd like to convey my heartfelt thanks to the Banwa and the people of Rakiraki for their foresight, granting this piece of land, enabling the National Fire Authority to make this fire station project a reality. These viewers, ladies and gentlemen, now officially break ground construction of the new fire station. Naka, God bless.
Oh, lovely station. Oh, nice. Occasion. But yeah, let's see the stations now. You like it red?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you like that color, sir?